Hello my friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is CHIBULYA, I'm beauty and fashion retoucher. In this video I'm gonna show you how to clean background in a photo. We'll have two examples, a dirty white cyclorama and a creased fabric background. I had to use various tools to work on different defects and textures. Learning the way how to work with each of them, you will be able to solve a problem of any complexity. I'm absolutely sure. Let's go! We'll start with white cyclorama. I'm copying the background layer and running the clean backdrop plugin from Retouch for Me on it. And it's doing the job. Blend 100%. You can see the result yourself. Even the texture is preserved in the background. You may notice that there are still flaws around the model, now we'll fix them. I'm removing individual spots with the spot healing brush. And in large areas I'm more comfortable using a healing brush. As a rule, I use a stamp if I need to get close to the body. Erasing the excess from the hand with an eraser. Then I am using a healing brush to erase the stamp marks. The bottom is fine. Here I want to remove the shadow. And now the only thing left to clean up is under the arm. Here I'm working mostly with a healing brush and close to the model with a stamp. You can see that it takes much longer to do manual work even in such a small area than applying a plugin. And I'm afraid to imagine how much time I would spend if I didn't have it. The most curious thing is to manually clean the background, I have to take a sample from a clean area and replace a dirty one with it. So, for example, I'm taking a sample from here and putting it down. But when the whole background looks like this, you just don't have anywhere to pick up a sample from. That's why I want to recommend you the retouching plugins from Retouch for Me. They'll help you not only to clean the background, but also to smooth out creases on clothes, remove dust, do face cleaning, dodge and burn, color grading, and many more. But most importantly, you can download a free demo version of each plugin and apply them to your real photos before buying. And using my link, you can buy it at 20% off. The link will be in the description of this video. Let's go back to our photo. This is the result of manual cleanup and the full before-after. Now we'll clean up the background in another photo. First, I want to remove this area containing the hand. I'm selecting the part with a lasso, pressing the hotkey combination Shift plus F5. In the Content tab, you should see Content Aware. You can cancel the selection by pressing Ctrl D. It's turned out pretty well. I'll correct a bit here. That's enough. Now let's apply the Clean Backdrop plugin in the new layer. This is how it's done. This time the result is different, but in any case, less work. I'll smooth out the edge with a healing brush. I'm also going over the bottom with it and then with a stamp. I'm removing the excess with an eraser. I'm doing the same with the edge of the coat. I'll create a curve and lower it down, so the spots in the white background are better visible. The floor is generally clean, we have cleaned the left side too, only the right side is left. I am cleaning up the biggest spots with a spot healing brush. And creating frequency separation. In my previous YouTube video I shared my actions. You can also run the frequency separation from my set or create it yourself. The blur radius should be such that the fabric texture is not visible at the low frequency. In my case 6 will be enough. I'm switching to the low frequency, taking the mixer brush and just smoothing out the background. Large spots and small creases in the fabric can be removed in this way. You can turn off the high frequency layer to see even better what is left in the low one. I will not clean close to the coat now, I don't want to take much of your time. But you can do it just by going this way with a mixer brush on the folds. And then on the mask just return the color of the hand and coat. Now I'm going to turn on the high frequency. I have got some things to fix here too. I'm taking a stamp, a sample from the current layer, and removing the creases on the fabric. I also want to remove this shadow on the edge. Let's see the overall before-after. And now for the layers. This is the original, we have removed the hand, clean backdrop plugin, manual cleanup, and frequency separation. All of this has given such a result. That's it, we have worked at various types of backgrounds and tried different tools. Spot healing brush and healing brush, stamp, clean backdrop plugin and frequency separation. All of this combined will give you a strong foundation for working on studio photos. Thank you for watching my video, I hope it was helpful, and if you still have questions, leave them in the comments. Like this video and subscribe to my channel not to miss the next one, and on my Instagram you can see my works and before after. The link is in description. Bye!